The course of an infection can be divided into several distinct phases. The process of infection can be broken down into stages, each of which can be blocked by different defense mechanisms. In the first stage, a new host is exposed to infectious particles shed by an infected individual. The number, route, mode of transmission, and stability of an infectious agent outside the host determines its infectivity. Some pathogens, such as anthrax, are spread by spores that are highly resistant to heat and drying, while others, such as the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, are spread only by the exchange of bodily fluids or tissues because they are unable to survive as infectious agents outside the body. The first contact with a new host occurs through an epithelial surface. This may be the skin or the internal mucosal surfaces of the respiratory, gastrointestinal, and urogenital tracts. After making contact, an infectious agent must establish a focus of infection. This involves adhering to the epithelial surface and then colonizing it or penetrating it to replicate in the tissues. Many microorganisms are repelled at this stage by innate immunity. We have discussed the innate immune defense mediated by the epithelia and by phagocytes and complement in the underlying tissues. NK cells are activated in response to intracellular infections. A local inflammatory response and induced cytokines and chemokines can bring more effector cells and molecules to the site of an infection while preventing pathogen spread into the blood. These innate immune responses use a variety of germ-line encoded receptors to discriminate between microbial and host cell surfaces or infected and normal cells. They are not as effective as adaptive immune responses, which can afford to be more powerful on account of their antigen specificity. However, they can prevent an infection from being established, or failing that, contain it while an adaptive immune response develops. And that's the course of an infection can be divided into several distinct phases. Have a great day.